It's me again. This week on Homebrew Kitchen Benches, I haven't decided what I'm going to do here because basically my nose is itchy and it's interrupting me in the middle of the video. And I have a problem. Do I put a bar all the way across, and do I put a metal strapping across here and make this one solid piece, which I think is probably a good idea, so that if I just put a bar here, it doesn't just collapse and rip right out. It's actually one like square thing. I could put a strapping on this side and a strapping on that side, but I don't think it's really going to matter, one bar or two. And the other thing I have to do is put these things, the legs, measure how far I want them to the end. So I'm thinking like, first find a tape measure, because I'm so prepared here. Let me let this off here, because I got grinder dust and everything. I'm not sure if I want to put them like, maybe 6 or 8 inches from the end. Maybe 8 inches, maybe good. So I put them 8 inches here. It would be right around there, right around there. I could go like 10 inches, but this, I don't know how much. I don't want it to look, I don't want the end to look too far out with legs in it. I want it to be kind of like, I think 8 inches is good. And I don't know, see, I might, that's the thing, I might put a piece of box tubing. I might actually put a big pipe in here. That might be what I should do, because it's gonna buckle, it's gonna flex. I know it's over 3 feet, I know things flex. So do I put a small bar in here, or do I put this size bar? Because this thing's gonna be super heavy. And I'm not even sure what I got left. So I'm thinking angle bracket, maybe? And my next problem is if I put that in there, I got to find something that is exactly this long, put it on top, and so I can tack weld it in place. Because my bench isn't long enough to mock this up on. I don't have I got a 4-foot bench, and I think this is at least 5 feet apart. Well, it's 4 feet, but then I gotta knock everything off this bench. Hope the hell it's flat. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's what I've been pondering. I gotta first figure out how far I want them apart, which I gotta find a pencil thing also. Bought some pencils, and I don't even know if they'll fit in my pencil sharpener. So, yeah, I like this old pencil sharpener. You stick the pencil in here like so, and it holds it. You just, what the hell, it's sharp enough, and it pulls it in the sharpener for you. No pushing to worry about. Pull that, and almost sharp. Almost. It's an old Boston pencil sharpener. Boston. You know, if they made these out of metal again, they'd probably be, if they still made these exact same quality, we'd have quality shit in the world. Instead we have plastic junk everywhere. So yeah. They put this in there again. So you just put it in there, kind of grips it like a little grip there. And there we go. Nice sharp pencil. So if I put this 8 inches from there and 8 inches from there, I have to figure out how long the whole thing is, minus 16 inches, figure out how far it is. So let's see. 8 inches is right about here. Ta-da. And this is 1.5 inches, so 1.5 inches is right here. And move this out of the way. Eight inches and 1.5 inches. That's that. This is gonna fall off. Ugh. Excuse me. And now, the distance between here and there hopefully is less than, we like this, there we go. Close that up here. Put that right there. About 44 and a quarter. So between here and here, it's 44 and 1/4. So you gotta find angle brackets, tubing like this, which I think is probably too heavy, or I don't know, a piece of wood, something. It might look pretty snazzy with a piece of wood integrated into it, but do I have a 44 and a quarter inch matching piece of oak? I doubt it, because oak is expensive, and I know I don't got 44-inch pieces of oak. I got 44-inch pieces of pine, I got maple, and I got, I don't know what else. So looks like metal it is. Let me go look for a piece now. Stay tuned and keep a watching.